Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. Welcome to Model Kit Tuesday. At long last I've finished the big urgent series of translation jobs I had to do these days and back to form of evening normality. So what am I doing with here we see it again, the Coopercraft Bedford ML. Right, remember in the last video dedicated to this model, we were talking about glazing. So this is the original glazing. I tried filing this down and it's very, very, very thick and very difficult to fit. So this is my own glazing, which is this polystyrene, clear polystyrene sheet by Evergreen. Thickness 0.25 millimeters. There we go. And I've made, this is the windscreen glazing that I didn't try filing down. So I put it under a bit of paper and using a lead pencil I made this pattern like this, and now I've sort of marked the shape on the piece of styrene. So now I'm going to get this cut and see if we can manage to make a nice thin flush windscreen. Oh, okay, very well. On the second attempt I managed to cut a piece of styrene the right dimension for the windscreen, and now, considering this is simply a mirror image, one over the other, I'll just take that, pop that out. I've not glued it in yet, and try and make one exactly the same out of this piece of polystyrene here, and then we'll glue these in with glue and glaze. Okay, I've cut another piece, you can see it here. I've cut it off this piece of styrene. This is my pattern. I know that this one here is good. Now I'm going to have to sort of file this one down a bit. I'm filing it down to try and make sure it fits. So I'll just show you what I'm doing. And sort of rounding off the corners. Okay, I don't want to file off too much. Now, this is this windscreen over here. Right hand side. So it seems okay. I think that's not bad. See? the left one, which is here, fits in no problem. Okay, now it fell in, but I know it fits. So we'll glue them in a separate video. So here are the two windscreens ready. The left one's fallen inside the cab, and here's the right one. What I'll do, I'll put a spot of glue and glaze here, and then just rest it on. But we'll do this in a separate video. Right, very well. This is, so I've not glued it in yet, but this is just to show you how it'll look. So, absolutely perfect. Nice and flush. You can recognise the left side one because there's a mark. I'll clean that ink mark at the end before fitting it, right before fitting it, but we'll glue these on in a dedicated video, which might be a bit long and one of these single take uncut ones. Then the side windows, I'm not using the flush glazing they gave me in the kit because the side windows are not flush. They're not flush at all. So the only piece of glazing I'm actually going to use is the cab rear window, which is that small rectangular thing there, and that I'll just pop that in. What I might do now, I might fit the steering wheel, because I'm fitting the windows from outside, from the exterior, and so maybe it would be easier if I fitted the steering wheel. So I'm just going to get the steering wheel in, and that way that's done. Very well. If you enjoyed the video, let me know. Subscribe, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, share the video, and comment. I always enjoy reading and answering your comments. Cheerio, and see you next time. Should I even make windscreen wipers? I could make windscreen wipers. I could definitely make windscreen wipers out of tiny pieces of slivers of styrene or little tiny pieces of wire, or I could just draw them with a nib. I don't know, but no. First we get this thing here built, then we'll talk about windscreen wipers. Okay, cheerio, and see you next time. Anyway, I'm planning to make the exhaust pipe and silencer underneath. Definitely will be doing that. I might sort of skip the windscreen wipers. Maybe yes, maybe no. Well, we'll see. We've got more episodes. Cheerio, and see you next time.